Hi, this is Maggie at Colonial Gardens with your Tuesday tip. Here in our market, we have several kinds of eggs. All are pasture raised. They come from 2 different farms. We get lots of questions about the eggs, so I'm going to try to answer a few questions today and see if we can make it your buying choices a little easier. What's with the color of the eggs? Well, chicken eggs come in a variety of colors, from white to a brown that is almost black. Right here you can see several different colored eggs. It has nothing to do with the flavor, nothing to do with the nutritional value. It all has to do with the hen that laid it. So different breeds lay different color eggs. A lot of people like the little green ones and then the dark brown ones. That's a great thing. We have a mixture. You can get your choice. Some terms that get thrown around a lot, and I want to kind of clear that up. We call our eggs pasture-raised. You'll see terms like free range or cage-free. What those mean is basically cage-free eggs are chickens that are not kept in cages. That doesn't mean they're doing anything but not kept in a cage. They get 1.5 square feet per chicken. That's the regulated distance and space they get. And they're kept indoors. Free-range chickens get 2 square feet per chicken, and they're allowed to go outside, but that's the key phrase, allowed to. It doesn't mean they do. It doesn't regulate how long they get to be outside. It could be a short couple hours. It could be they may never even go out the door. Pasture-raised eggs is a term that's gaining popularity, and it's not regulated like the other two. So it's always good to ask the farmer or whoever you're buying them from what that term means to them. To us, it means that chickens are allowed to be outside all day, grazing on grass, hanging out in the pasture, doing chicken things like scratching and pecking and foraging for food. It keeps them happier, it keeps them healthier, there's less stress, and I think it makes for a better flavor of an egg. These chickens spend all day outside, they go in at night, they're taken care of, and they're pretty happy, I think. So I've been told. If you have any questions about the eggs, you can come in and ask us. Most are fed outside, I said. They get a grain diet, non-GMO feed. They're happy, they're healthy, and the eggs are pretty darn good. I think once you try an egg like this, you're not going to want to try any others. So, this has been Maggie with your Tuesday tip at Colonial Gardens, and please come out and try some of the eggs.